Si Charm, very charming. Charm, what are you gonna do with 150 euros?
Santin. Ewan ko, depende sa amin.
Depende sa, ay, may ka-ano ka? May ka-partner? So, maghahati kayo?
Gagala namin.
Ay, gagala! Galing pa sila ng ano, Negros. Wow, grabe, no? Balik tayo yung 10-5. Pero, tatanay ko muna siya kung ano gagawin niya. What's your name? Sophia! And you're only 8 years old. Do you go to school? Yes. What's your favorite subject in school? Let's check your math skills. 1 plus 1. 2 plus 2. 4 plus 4. 8 plus 8. At least hindi memorize, right? Okay, some of them memorize. Sophia, what are you gonna do with 10,000 pesos? Toy. No, eto lang. Okay. So si Mami, this is for your future, college plan, okay? So ate, do you have any, magkakilala ba kayo? Hati daw sila. Nag-uusap na. Do you have any message to Sophia? Hati tayo, Bea. Yung message. Do you have any message to Tita Charm? Ayaw niya maghati. Okay, so guys, we're gonna do it in 3 counts. Okay, 3 points. So ladies, first round is you need to stand up side by side, backwards. I mean, not facing each other, but facing at the back. Okay, yan. Back to back kayo, guys. Back to back. Now, can you move backwards? 1 step backward. Now, you need to drop your bets without facing each other. That means, pag sinabi kong, in 3, 2, 1, bato, bato, pick, just stay where you are. I'm gonna ask you guys to turn your backs from each other, and that's the time we check kung ano yung na-drop yung bet. Ready? Okay, Sophia, ready? Arm forward, face forward, come on. In 3, 2, 1, bato, bato, pick! Wala pa, 1 point pa lang. 1 point for Sophia! Okay! I said 3 points eh. Okay, back to back. Ready? Galing ni Sophia, ha? Okay, face forward! In 3, 2, 1, bato, bato, pick! Face each other. It's a tie. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Bato, bato, pick! Face each other. 1 point for Charm! Okay. May chance pa si Ate Charm. Okay, ready? Face forward. In 3, 2, 1. Bato, bato, pick! Face each other. 2 points for Sophia! Okay, ready? Turn your backs from each other. Hindi pa, 2 points pa lang eh. Gusto mo na bang ibigay yung prize? Hindi nga. Tapusin na natin? You want us to finish the game or you want to give it to her na? Isa pa, ano ba? It's your decision. Isa pang round? Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Position! In 3, 2, 1, bato, bato, pick! Face each other. And we already have our winner! Congratulations! You just won 150 ml. 150 euros! Hold it. Face the camera. Face the camera. Wow! Hindi niya alam kung magkano. Yung kala niya 3 lang. Ate Charmaine, thank you for being such a good sport.